Hi, I'm Brianna Jordan.
And I'm Jenny Williams. And today, who here loves ice cream? Well, for me, just thinking about ice cream makes my mouth water. Today, we are going to share ice cream's history, development, and even what it is today. When eating ice cream, it's important to know about its history. First of all, ice cream is a sweet frozen dessert made from milk fat and solids, sugar, flavoring, a stabilizer, which is usually gelatin, and sometimes eggs, fruits, or nuts. The mix is churned at freezing temperature to attain a light and smooth texture. The possibilities of flavors and colors are endless. No researcher is absolutely sure on who is truly credited with the invention of ice cream, but the origins of ice cream can be traced back to the Emperor Nero of Rome, who reigned from 54 to 68 AD. It was a mixture of snow which he sent his slaves into the mountains to retrieve, nectar, fruit pulp, and honey. Some researchers say that Marco Polo saw ice cream being manufactured on his travels to China in the late 11th century. Ice cream was likely brought from China back to Europe. At first, ice cream was mainly a treat for the rich and the royal. Before refrigeration, ice was rare and expensive. Making ice cream also took hours, so it helped to have servants who could do it. Over time, recipes for ice, sherbets, and milk ice evolved and served in fashionable Italian and French royal courts. The first ice cream parlor in America opened in New York City in 1776. American colonists were the first to use the term ice cream. The name came from the phrase iced cream that was similar to iced tea. The name was later abbreviated to ice cream, the name we know today.
Today, ice cream is still enjoyed by all and is still very popular. Americans love ice cream. The United States produces 1.6 billion gallons of frozen desserts annually. We export about 40 million of those gallons to other countries, especially Japan. Each year, Americans spend almost 20 billion on ice cream and other frozen desserts. Americans eat more than 2 billion gallons of ice cream, frozen yogurt, and sherbet each year, or about 23 quarts per person. Now there are hundreds of brands, thousands of flavors, and more ice cream choices than ever. There are so many brands, like Dreyer's and Bluebell, and so many different flavors, like vanilla or chocolate. Overall, ice cream is one of the most unique desserts with thousands of choices to choose from.
Who consumes the most ice cream in the United States? According to Ice Cream Country, Long Beach, California is the city where the most ice cream is consumed.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream!
Woo!